Welcome gang, Skypilot here again. Possibly the coolest little matchstick money can buy. Banggood.com. The EMAX Tinyhawk. This thing, it's a blast. Definitely not your indoor unit. Check out my previous videos regarding this little drone on my page, and I'm just going to do a quick line of sight flight. Okay, so I've obviously got this set on air mode all the time so that it doesn't crash so easily. So that's why when you arm it, she's going to fly, and of course no prop guards on. And also guys, one thing to look out for, just keep an eye on the DVR antenna here. You can see I've actually nicked it a couple of times with the prop when it's leaned over that way, so I am going to fix it on so it's more upright. So I won't FPV it at the moment. I shall just do some recording with my trusty Cyclops here. Alright, let's have a look at this little beast. Yeah, I've got it in granddad mode because it is a fast little unit. Right, let's do a punch up for you guys. Nice and quiet, so you can hear. Okay. Quick punch up. Yeah, okay. Alright, and there's the beauty of that air mode. You can just drop it straight down and it won't crash. This is a fun little unit to have, guys. I've had a lot of fun with this. Let's get her steady there. Sit still for me, please. Yeah, Emax. Nicely constructed, well put together. However, as you can see, a ripper little unit. And the PID settings I have it on aren't too aggressive, more than manageable, so we can have a fair bit of fun. I might just try a quick FPV. Another punch up for you. Yep, off you go. See you later. Alright, down we come. This thing's awesome. I love this thing. Battery time, yeah, it's okay. Just okay. Alright. The EMAX Freestyle. What a beauty. This thing is as good as everyone reckons it is, let me tell you. Yeah, so picture's pretty cool, guys. Bit of RF signal low there. Might be a bit too high up. Let's just go down and forward a bit. I have heard stories that the signal here isn't too super duper. However, for the flying that I'm doing, yeah, more than adequate. I have had a bit of trouble with the picture and a fair bit of noise on my unit. I have done some research and I believe it's the equipment I've got, so yeah, if it breaks up a fair bit, guys, don't be too stressed. That's the reason. Yeah, this thing is terrific. Battery slider needs a bit of grip. Great. Link in the description, gang, if you want to pick this up. You won't be disappointed, let me tell you. See you in the sky. Next video coming up, Skypilot. Banggood.com. Bye for now.